Hi children, today we start the new and final lesson of this year, that is sound. So we have already learned different forms of energy. In the last one or two lessons we were keep on talking about the different forms of energy. Light is a form of energy, light energy, then mechanical energy, chemical energy, heat energy, gravitational energy. So we study different forms of energy. And this is also another form of energy. Sound is a form of energy, isn't it? It is also a form of energy. It can be traveled easily from one place to another. Clear? When I speak something, you can hear it, or you can receive my voice. So sound can be traveled till it reaches your ears. So it can be traveled easily, or it can be propagated from one place. I am the source, you are the listener. So sound can be propagated from me till it reaches your ear. Okay, so sound can be propagated. And sound propagate through which type of medium? There are three types of medium: solid medium, liquid medium, or gaseous medium. Medium means it is a material through which the sound travels. So here you can see three types of medium: solid medium, liquid medium, and gas. So sound can easily travel through. It can be produced by different objects. Birds can produce sound, humans can produce sound, dog can produce sound, school bell can produce sound, tuning fork can produce sound, radio can produce sound, thunder can produce sound. And these all sound can be propagated through or travel from the source to the different places through solid, through liquid, and through gas. And these three are called material through which the sound travels. They are called medium. So medium means it is the material, or it is the substance through which the light travels. That is what is called a medium. So with the example, we discuss these three, or how the sound can be propagated through solid, liquid, and gas. First, solid. And with an activity, I'll tell you how the sound can be propagated through solid. You just keep your ear on the desk, and you ask your friend to knock down, or you just make some sound on the desk. You can easily hear the knocking sound produced by your friend. There, it is propagating through desk. Desk is nothing but made of wood, so it is a solid. So sound can easily propagate through solid. Then what about through liquid? So for this one example, keep a timepiece or any sound producing object. Keep it inside a bucket of water, and you can hear the sound coming out of the sound producing object through liquid, through water. Through water, the sound can be propagated or travel, and you can hear the sound of the sound producing object. And the sound can easily travel through gas. Gas is another medium. So thundering sound, where from the sound is coming, who is the source of that thundering sound? That is from the clouds. So clouds, due to the shaking of clouds or collision of clouds, and because of that, a thundering sound is produced, and that can easily pass through air. Air is nothing but a gas. Clear? So sound can propagate through solid, sound can propagate through liquid, and it can propagate through a gaseous medium. Or for its propagation, they need some molecules present in it. Solids are having molecules. All the liquids are having molecules. In gaseous medium, there are number of molecules, or we call these mediums as material medium. So there should be some molecules in it, or particles in it. We call that type of medium as material medium. So sound can propagate through material medium. Material medium means the medium should have some particles in it. So sound cannot be propagated through vacuum because of the absence of particles in vacuum. So no sound can be propagated through vacuum. It is a non-material medium. In space, no sound can be heard in the space. Clear? Only the actions, no sound. So we cannot say anything. If we say anything, the others cannot hear it because of the absence of the sound carriers there, or absence of particles in the vacuum state. So for the propagation of sound, one of these medium is must, either a solid medium or liquid or a gas medium, not through vacuum. Clear? And what will happen when sound is produced by a source? How it travels? What is the form of its propagation? So now we will discuss all these things. So sound is a form of energy. It can be propagated through a material medium. And listen, this is the medium, and sound waves can propagate in this form. This is what is called a wave. So sound can be propagate in the form of a wave. This is called a wave. So this is the form in which the sound wave can move, or sound waves can travel from the source to the listener. So this is the point from where the sound is being produced, and this is traveling, and this is the object or the listener. So from here onwards the sound is propagating till the listener in the form of a wave. So we call this as the sound wave. So this is in the form of a wave, or this is the grammatical or pictorial representation of a wave. And this line represents the line of zero disturbance, or if a medium is not having any disturbance, there won't be any movement for the particles. So you listen here. This is solid. Suppose this is solid. So if there is no disturbance, all the solid particles will be at rest. But when a sound is produced by an object placed at this point A, what will happen? That energy will be given to the particles present in this medium. This line shows the particles present in the medium. So whenever the particle gains some energy, that particle start moving up and down. Then during this movement, that energy will be given to the next molecule. Then by gaining some energy, that particle move up and down. During this movement, that share some of their energy to the next neighboring ones. They start moving up and down. During this vibration, they give some energy to the next one. They move up and down. Like this, energy given by the source will be given to the particles present in the medium, and the energy is gone transferring from the source till it reaches the listener. Clear? This is the way in which the energy is carried from the source to the end. No molecules are really carrying energy from A to B. Suppose B is the listener, but the particles present in the medium, they are sharing the energy. So only energy is moving from one end. This is the source end. The energy is being transferred from the source to the other end. Other end means that is the listener. Clear? So no particles are really moving, only the energy is traveling from one point to another. Clear? So this is the way in which the sound waves propagate, and pictorially we can represent the movement of wave in this manner. So this is the waveform, or this is the way in which the sound waves are propagating through any medium. Whatever be the medium, it can travel through solid, liquid or gas. So it can be, its movement can be represented with the help of a line, wavy line like this. We call this as a wave, or sound can propagate in the form of wave. So we call them as sound waves. Okay children, I hope everyone understood, and in the next class we will see more details, or we will discuss more details about sound waves. Okay, thank you.